start to look at the cabinetry and you look at the colors and you look at the fixtures, look at the tile behind there, look at the gold pieces with the tile behind it. She really picked something really good. Look what she did with the dining room and look how it all blends and flows. How was your experience with us? Did we do everything?
Yeah, it was fabulous. I have never done a kitchen before. I
Okay.
had basic, my old house, but not to this extent. And it was flawless. There was never an issue. I never had to think twice about anything. It was done. And that man, that angel, he's unbelievable.
So you felt like it was a professional experience?
Beyond professional. And I even said to Rob, with the language barrier, he didn't even notice it because he was so professional and he was so good. And I just never questioned anything. It was perfect. He knew what I wanted. So this was the existing piece of the island, and they cut it perfectly so it wouldn't block the door, and then installed it here.
Would you recommend our company to somebody else?
You're the only company I will recommend. No question, no question. It was such a flawless, seamless experience for me, and I was happy. And it was quick. And there weren't people in my house for days and days and days. It was done so beautifully, and so they were so kind. And the other thing that nobody ever talks about, clean and neat. There wasn't a speck on my floor when your gentleman left. Never. And I said that to her because I have this little one. I was so worried that she was going to get a nail or a piece of wood or something. Not a thing on my floor ever. Right?
Thank you.
It was perfect.
All right, let's
It was
go.
perfect.